Hello, today I'll be doing a problem from page 466. You are in this problem trying to find the area between two curves. And here's the problem. Okay. So the first equation we have is x squared, which is shown by the red curve on the right. And the second line we have is 4x minus x squared, which is the blue line on the right. And you're trying to find that area between the two, so that's the black shaded in area. Okay, so first off, you're going to take each equation and make them equal to each other. So that's x squared equals 4x minus x squared. And then you'll bring that x squared over, so it would be 2x squared equals 4x. And you cancel out 1x from that, so that would be 2x equals 4, and x would equal 2 and 0. So those are your two endpoints that you use when taking the integral. Okay, so now you can take the integral of the whole thing from 0 to 2. So you have to take the top equation, in this case being 4x minus x squared, and subtract x squared from that to get the area between the two. So your integral is going to look like this. The integral from 0 to 2 of 4x minus x squared minus x squared. And you can simplify that a little bit to being the integral from 0 to 2 of 4x minus 2x squared dx. And then you can take the integral, so after taking the integral, it will look like this. 4x squared over 2 minus 2x to the third over 3 from 0 to 2. And you can simplify that a little bit, so it'd be 2x squared minus 2/3 x to the third. And now you just plug in your points. So your points being 2 and 0. So 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8 minus 2 to the third, which is 8 times 2/3, which is 16/3. And then if you plug 0 in, you'll get 0. So that doesn't factor into the answer. So if you simplify a little bit, 8 minus 16/3 is the same as 24/3 minus 16/3, which is going to equal 8/3, and that's your answer.